Greetings, it's Joel West. I'm just here creating a short video because I've been working on changing a lot of the development shell for STC 1301, and all the due dates and everything are set up for summer 1, 2020. And so I'm trying to get everything aligned with a calendar I made. I will put a link to that in the description here on YouTube. And so it'll match up with that calendar. It's something that I think would be very helpful. Anyway, I'm halfway done with changing all this, and it's a little tedious, but it's not impossible. And so I just kind of wanted to go through the steps that I've been using to align these to the calendar that, like I said, I made. I adapted the calendar that was already present in the course shell. I just changed the dates to match something better with what we're doing here. So anyway, I'm on discussion 5 now. That's one of the ones that I still need to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. You click edit, open it up. Now, one thing I do, you click here to open this to see the whole thing. I put this note in here where I just want them to know that, sorry, this is not doing what I thought it would do. That I want them to post their thread and at least 2 replies in order to be graded at all. And I'll show you how to do that. So first off, I need to go back and change these dates. So on the calendar, I have discussion 5 is due October 15th, 2020. So the hard due date is going to be here, October 15th. And that means that the original post needs to be turned in the day before so they have time to read. So anyway, what I would like to do is I would like to show you the next step here. And yes, I want to make it available. I want it to display starting the week before. So October 15th is a Thursday, so I want it to show up the Friday before at midnight, so they'll be able to see it after they finish the previous module. I want it to display until the due date only, because in our policies we're not accepting late work. So display it just until October 15th at 11:59, and then it disappears. Leave this like this. Students must create a thread in order to view other threads. That way there's no chance for plagiarism. We hopefully get original content in there. Leave the points the same. Okay, so I click this one and I put it at number 3. That means they have to create a thread and make at least 2 replies before I'll even see it. And then I add the due date here. So this is going to be due October 15th. I want it due by the end of the day. So I click on that. And then I've already created a rubric that I used last year. So I can also share a photo of that in the description. I'm just going to go ahead and click on there. I like for my students to see the rubric with the scores so they can see how I evaluated them along with any comments. I leave these the same. One thing I also do is I allow members to rate posts. So you can kind of see which ones people like the best. And then submit. Go back and take a look. And it looks like discussion 5 is ready to rock. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or something. All right. Thank you very much.